we send this cargoes without this start button, and we don't send you car serial because in your car it has car home, so you need to connect this pink wire to your car home, and only we show this function. So I add this siren to show you functions, but we don't send this to you, and we don't send this to you. We only show you functions. First, this is a smart key for several, and this is car logger. We will send you car logger, and you want to remote start, and then your car, this start button will be on, light will be on 3 times, knock 3 times. Yes. Okay, now this start, I just press 3 times, knock button 3 times, and this is engine running status. Hello, my friend. Okay, this button, this orange color is set door trigger wire. When your car is on status, when someone opens the car door illegally, it will be alarm. It will trigger alarm. Now I show you these functions. This is for anti-safety functions. Now this is on, right? Okay, this is negative trigger. Connected to this wire to your car door. Set door switch. 我试一下，等一下，是等10几秒吗？开始。Hello, friend. This smart key. This is several smart key, and this blue LED is blinking. It means PK is working. PK antennas. Yes. This is high frequency antenna. You remove high frequency antenna. You lock. You will hit lock, and unlock. And I use this LED bubble to name these functions. And blinking is PKE function now. What is PKE? You take this mark away from here, and this siren will make one sound. It auto knock when you get too close to this majority, and this light will flash 2 times. Now I show you the functions. I take this mark here away from here. Okay, siren is making more sound, and I get close to this image, and this LED flash 2 times. It's auto unlock. Okay, this is smart key lock unlock functions. Thank you.
开始。
Hello, friend. If your car has original start button, but you want to add remote start functions, maybe mobile app come to your car, you only buy this product. It has another start button because your car has start button. So we only send you this majority and this cardboard box and this smart key and other main cables. And we are not sending you this siren. This is only for demonstration. Okay, now as you can see, this LED bubble is flashing. Yes, because I connected to unlock wires 2 times, flash 2 times because unlock. Now I press lock and this siren will make one sound. Yes, lock it. I press unlock. Yes, unlock. Yes, unlock. Okay, this product is very special. It has 2 methods to connect this product to your car. You can connect everywhere, and also you can find you cannot find your unlock wire, trunk wire. It is very hard you only solder your original key circuit board to this, and this is six. Okay, this is six wires, and this red and black wire for power supply. This 3 voltage, and then this green wire. This is for lock wire. Solder them to your car circuit board, and this white cable is for trunk, for your original car key trunk, and this one, this is for unlock wire. These blue cables, solder them to your original key circuit board, and then this is very easy to do them. You only know how to solder the tin to your circuit board, and then original key circuit board. So this is very important. I use this central lock to show the central lock and unlock functions, but this product doesn't fit this product. Okay, this product doesn't include this product. This is only for demo. And this, okay, and this you will see 2 wires lock unlock wire for central lock. When you remote start your engine and your lock unlock wire is not working, you must connect them, and then you can use our smart key to control your car lock unlock wire. This is for back use. Now this high frequency antenna, if you want to remote start, you must connect this wire. You can control your car at a long distance, because for example, you stand at 60 meters away from car, you can remote start it, but you must connect this high frequency antenna. And these 2 low frequency antenna, this is for PKE. What is PKE? This is auto lock unlock wire. I'm sorry, not unlock central lock door, lock door. Yes, automatically. When you get this marquee away from your car, it is auto lock. When you get close to your car, it auto lock. It's PKE. Don't press the remote button. Okay, so that's good. Okay, these are good functions. And you ask me, this product has anti-safety function. Yes, your question is good. Yes, it has anti-safety functions. It has alarm functions. When your car is in arm, someone open your car door and it will make alarm. Open the car door, it will make alarm. You only connect this orange cable to your car side door switch. It's normally negative, so this is good. Okay. And now these 2 wires, as you can see, 2 wires. Yes, these yellow cables. And for most of cars, original car start button has 2 ignition wires, so you connect to one by one to the original ignition switch. Ignition switch start wires, 2 wires. One collect them one by one. It is very easy. Normally it is a negative start. For most of cars, it's negative trigger start. And if your car is a positive starter, also you can change the jump setting inside this manuality. Open the box and you will see the jump